About ReactJS training course. Puzzled about ReactJS and how it differs from other JavaScript frameworks? The training course on ReactJS will give you a firm base on how React enables developers to master user interface developing skills with ease. This course will enable you to build ReactJS applications using React Router, data flow and usage with React, Bootstrap and CSS, and React middleware. What is the focus of this ReactJS course? ReactJS course is specifically framed for web developers to enhance their web developing skills. Learn how React is different than other JavaScript frameworks because it is not really a framework. React is actually mainly a view layer, which is beneficial for use in teams and promotes well-organized code. The main focus of this course then involves aiding you to build simple components and integrating them into more complex design components. Gradually, you will be able to implement components, manage data, handle events, apply routes, and much more. Componentized UI is the future of web development, and learning ReactJS now will ensure your skills remain relevant in this fast-changing industry. What will I learn? After completing this course, you will get a head start to work with ReactJS productively and gain the following. 1. Acquire hands-on knowledge on basic React components and apply them. 2. Code a React with an online integrated development environment like an expert. 3. Manage data by using state and props of React. 4. Learn how to handle events. 5. Execute React's robust router. 6. Use Flux to augment features of a React app. 7. Implement Bootstrap and CSS to style a React app. 8. Understand React and how it fits into your web developing process.